guys, hey guys, I'm at Fleet Farms today. I'm gonna be shopping for some dog food. Here I'm at the section of Diamond Natural Rose from Diamond, 40-pound bag, about $45, $43, depending on which bag you get. They have the lamb and meal, beef and meal. The green is chicken and meal. Up here is like the Diamond Pro 89 for like $55. On the other side here, there's Merrick for like $90. Let's see here. Oh, can't really see the price on it though, but they have some other dog food like from Merrick. So neutral dog food, like yeah, they're like about $90 depending on which brand you get. Around $70 to $90 depending on which brand. This side, natural dog food. Okay, and I'm here at the Piranha section. Piranha 1, 47 for a almost 30-pound bag, 27 and a half. And the other section, we got Wholesome, which is another good dog food. Natural Balance, of course. At this section, Piranha 1, they have many different bags, many different type chicken formula here for like $54. 40-pound bag right here. Piranha 1 Plus, $55, 40-pound bag. This is all the Piranha brand. Rachel Ray over here. Yukonuba. All this aisle is Yukonuba. Pretty pricey. For this puppy bag food, it's about $7-8. Yukonuba, and then they have all the different many types down the aisle. And then the right next to it is Ions, which I don't like and I don't use. And then again, like I said, this is Piranha, the Pro Plan brand. They're $80 to $66 depending on which brand you get. Okay. Regular Diamond dog food puppy, 20-pound for $27. Grain-free Diamond dog food, 30-pound at $44 depending on this pound that you get. And then the regular Diamond dog food, which is really popular, which is a lot of people use, you know. They're $5 off today. Can't beat that for the 40 to 50-pound dog food of the Diamond brand. Only from the 16th to the 24th, so got a few more days left. Pretty good for price, $32 for a 50-pound dog food. Can't beat that. Good price. And then they got the Taste of the Wild. They're like about $55. This is the salmon recipe. They have roasted fowl, roasted lamb. Of course, this is bison and venison, you know. And then this is for the puppy food, which is also roasted bison and venison. Benful by Piranha, $33. And then on this section, they have Wholesome, which is another good dog food, $46 for like 40-pound chicken meal, large breed, pedigree, which I don't recommend. The Blue brand, Blue Buffalo brand, which is another one that a lot of people use. Over here, Wilderness dog food, they're like $67 to $70 depending on which brand you get to. Salmon, the red meat, of course, and the chicken is the blue bag over there. Down there is just the chicken. And then regular Sprout again. I'll recommend these, you know, these Sprout Naturals. These are the one that I'm gonna get. The one that I really like and I'm gonna be using down the road when my dogs do get older is this one. These are the Sprout Naturals chicken and rice recipe. It says right here that it's deboned chicken with no corn, wheat, or soil. Okay, so for, you know, for some dogs that they are, you know, they are allergic to corn or wheat, get the, you know, get the bags that does not contain corn or wheat. This is a pretty good bag. I think these are new. I never seen these one before. They have 4 different bags, well 3. The chicken and rice, the lamb and meal, and the beef and rice. These go for like $43 a bag, 40-pound bags again. These are new, and I will probably go with these down the road for that. Again, these are like just the Sprout brand. These are, but they're all the different dog food for that. Yeah, these are the regular dog Sprout dog food, you know. These contains wheat and corn. So for and they're affordable. They're like $40 or to like $30 depending on which brand you buy, you know. Again, for the ones that you are, you know, doing sporting performance maintenance, make sure to get the bags that does say that. These are not so bad. I have used these in the past before too as well. They're like average dog food. And this is a high energy bag for $35, so it's not too bad. It's that brand for high energy. Then again, like I said, corn and wheat, chicken product meal, corn meal, chicken extra fish oil, all this other stuff. Yeah, this is the high energy one. There's the maintenance one down here. Which is $24. Can't beat that for a 40-pound dog food right here at maintenance. Again, contains corn and wheat. Yeah. For maintenance. 30-20 should say, let's see, 21-12. That. Okay. Okay, but I wanted to talk about this puppy food. This is a pretty good puppy food that I'm gonna get today for mix it up with my other dog puppy food, the puppy chow for my puppies. They're kind of similar, comparable to the diamond puppy food. The regular diamond puppy food has the same omega-6 and 3 fatty acid. Almost the same. It's like $22. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this and see how much it does it. Again, you want to add little by little to the other dog food to see what they like. This good corn. This does contain corn and wheat. Okay. But my puppy that I know of is allergic to corn and wheat. So for some of those you guys that does have a dog or a puppy that is allergic to you know, corn and wheat, then just get the dog food that does not contain corn and wheat. Because they can have allergies or have rashes. And again, you know, this bag, this puppy bag Sprout, compared to this diamond bag puppy food, there's only like $4 differences, but they're almost the same though. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this one a try, the 20-pound bag.